everyone. How are you guys today? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Today we are past Easter. Hopefully you have survived that. We're gonna go through the markets. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have some jokes, and yeah, Today's stream is sponsored by.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Other than that, I hope that you are wanting to, if you want to get funded, that you use the link below. So you can get some 30% up to 30% off your first plan. I think that is, I think it's a good offer for you. It's beneficial if you're interested. Nothing else else than that. Other than that, people, we are some few people, so we will go through what. I'm just going to find the music, that's all. Cool, so, I'm going to have some changes to my stream. And one of the changes to my stream is that I'm going to allow more people into the stream in terms of asking questions, maybe Zoom /or Discord. I don't think it's going to be paid for. I think it's going to be free. And because we already have to send charts, we already have that in Discord, where you can send your charts, and you can get your charts. Go through my chart. I can go through your charts in the stream. So more interactive is kind of what I'm thinking about. I'm also thinking about that there's going to be more attempt to have more live action. As in live trades. That means we need to be live whenever the markets are at the point we're supposed to be. But, that's that depending on the market kind of a thing. But, there's going to be a bit more of that. On the other side, I also think one of the more changes is going to be to the mentorship. I'm going to talk to them about that. But there's going to be more follow-up. There's going to be more things to do for them. There's going to be more requirements to make sure that your progress is on point. The other thing is, I also want you guys to be having a progress here too. So that is one, sending in charts. That is two, asking questions and having a conversation with you on stream. That also means that I want more power people coming in, people of knowledge coming into these streams. That means I want Joe. I'm talking to Joe. I want Joe to come more by. I hope you guys have been liking him before, so I think that's gonna be more interesting for you guys. And I also gonna put up more of a list of what am I looking at the beginning of streams, and I need to do more research before the streams so that when it comes to streams, we are ready, set to go, and we don't do things on the fly. It's going to be more. It's going to be more. What do you call it? It's going to be more straightforward. The other thing is that I also think about in the back of my mind is that we need to, that's that. And then I was thinking of listing the streams. So when you are there on the streams, and then they will go away afterwards, and then I can make like a summary or something. So it's just like 10-minute summary every day of the streams. That could be interesting, but that means there's a lot of work. And that makes somebody else needs to do that work because I can't do that work. And it's going to be a lot of editing. And then costs on these streams goes up because I need to make somebody else do it. So yeah, I think that is that. And then we had on Thursday, I think we had a stream. Thursday we had a stream, and then Mr. Alex Alex1, I think that is, I think that's a straightforward thing. He accepted the prize. So, yeah, good on you guys for participating. Only 10 people participated, which is fair enough. That's up to you guys, but yeah. Is that enough babbling? If you have more suggestions to things we should change, that's all good on you. I believe that I am going to be, I don't know, less talking to chat per se, specifically. But, yeah. More content, probably. And I'm going to be more strict as to what opportunities I see. And probably there's going to be less people coming by because I'm going to be like, well, I don't care. But, yeah, that's kind of that. So, first of all, S&P 500, where are we in the world? So, first of all, 19th of April 2022, we are there. Okay? Now, it all depends if you're bullish or bearish. What do you believe is going to happen in the future? You think it's going to be better or worse? That's that. Hello, Eddie. Eddie's the only one that has come to my DMs to like say, hey, here's my PayPal if you want to send something. So, yeah, cool. I don't want people to do that per se, but yeah, maybe something will come to you, Eddie, soon, in course of this course of this stream. Maybe by the end of it, who knows? If it makes your life happy, if that what creates happiness for you in your life, that's okay for me. Okay, S&P still somewhere in the dark here, in the middle, 50% retracement. Dark index is not really showing a lot of institutional buying, but there was something here. Not much, but there was something there, so it's positive. It's not too bad. The other thing that I also want to go through is, what is it? Where is it? Fear Greed Index. And it's probably here. Where are we today? It's just an index, but it's 39. Okay, so we are turning more fearful. Now, why are we turning more fearful? The reason why we're turning more fearful is, one, the Central Bank of China, CRR, they did do something. They did cut their reserve requirement ratio for banks. Now, whoops, my face is in the way. Sorry. How can I move my face? My face can go up there, maybe. Maybe like that. Cool. Better? Yeah. I'm still here. And the market wanted 0.50, not 0.25, which they did. So there's more fear of not necessarily a crash in the Chinese market, but definitely for those people who have not been in Discord, you know, I don't talk so much about my personal life, I think, in here, but you know, you have to praise them when the praise is valid, right? The you know, if somebody that is homemade, people are like, did you buy that side of it? No, nobody bought that. She spent 3 days doing that, bro. Spent 3 days making homemade croissant. A bit brown, you know, we like brown. That's okay. And nice brown. There's nice things that's out there that's brown, but it was amazing. 2 of them have chocolate inside. 2 of them has like cheese inside. 2 of them are like, or at least 2 of them are like a normal, like plain. Not plain that, but it was crunchy. It was flaky. It was oui oui, jamais oui oui. So that's, you know, it is a bit of a food content in this channel. I don't care too much about that because, you know, we have to live life, people. You have to live life. Yeah. Tech, if you saw the if you saw the stream yesterday, where was the stream yesterday? We were on 18th. Yeah, we were here. Okay. So it didn't come down to level. Sorry, bro. Sorry, it didn't come down. But that's at least... That should have triggered a public, at least, trade, but it didn't come down. I apologize. Sorry. So, yeah. And what else is kind of interesting here is that oil is rising, nat gas is flying. Why? Because Europe is still considering to ban Russian oil. And to be frank with you guys, that's actually a worry of me. Because that is definitely a risk on, no risk off, sorry. That is definitely not a good thing if it happens. So really, Ian, I did not take it as an insult. It's okay. It's all cool. Yeah, it's all cool. Aye. Yeah, so for CAD yen in particular, it didn't come down to the levels I wanted. It's already at the weekly target as far as I know. Yeah, so it's gone. Sorry, bro. Sometimes it just goes. Now, how would you deal with that situation? You don't deal with the situation other than that's the case how it happens sometimes. There is nothing else to do when the market goes too aggressive on you. Then you can't chase it. And right now, the question is, does it come back down to 128? Probably not. So, it is what it is. Actually, I didn't know if I didn't see that. Euro did come up to some kind of daily M3. Hasn't come up to the level I want to see, but I will go through that soon. Dollar index. We are seeing a very strong beginning of this week. Okay? We all can see that. It doesn't really matter, right? It didn't come down to normal support. If it doesn't come down to normal support, what do we do then? Well, we don't do anything, eh? Then that's a trade that didn't go according to plan, right? So if you don't have a thing going according to plan, it's just what it is, right? Vinayak, you have posted in Discord success. Okay. Did you post your pre-plan? It's okay to post your success on the success channel, but also has to have a link to some kind of trade that you took before. Not that you just took a 1 hour trade on New Zealand yen. It went higher. Okay. And then? So if you're going to post that, you need to have show previous results. Or it will be taken down. Because that's just bragging more than anything else. Okay, nobody's going to learn from that. Okay, that's how I deal with my Discord channel. So right now for dollar is just it's pretty high. Australian dollar did come up today, but it didn't come up to the levels I want to see. Now, did you sell that and got into profit? Is that the thing you did? Well, if you did so, that's totally up to you. But if we're going to use technical analysis and as well as another analysis, I think it's still too doesn't have the pullback I want to see. So still not a market that is behaving perfectly. And sure, is resistance. It's clear as day resistance, right? But if I'm going to get entry here, I'm going to get it at 74.27, if anything at all. But in euro, euro needs to come a bit higher. And the other thing here is if you now get a new trade going to the upside, sorry, coming up to the 108.30 or 108.50, 60, 70, now that's when you start looking into, is this sellable or not? And right now it's a small range. I just want to praise, what was it, Mr. Sheldon, one of my mentorship students. He sold, I think he was 68.98, I think it was. Yeah. He sold there. So I'm just going to give a public clap on that from him. He sold there, and I think he took profit. Well, it wasn't a perfect. We talked about his profit target, but that was around here. And that's how you nail it. Boom. The reason why I mention it, because I also want other people to succeed in this group. And I think that's how you do it, bro. Market was with you among everything, but all in all, pretty good. JPY is getting hammered today. Yeah, I saw that. And yesterday I said euro. I don't care about euro. Look what it does, eh? Look what it does on euro. Still a previous trade plan here apparently, but you know, didn't do what I wanted to do today. Use the yen going higher, New Zealand yen going higher. Okay, cool. What does this tell you, bros? What does this tell you? What does it tell you? It tells me buy zone, buy zone, buy zone. It tells me buy zone, 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 nothing. It's down in these areas where you gain, and then up there you just taking the profits. So we have 9 likes today. Fantastic. But we can get more, right? We can do better, right? But I know I haven't given any forecast this week. I know I haven't given you any reasons to start buying this or whatever. But Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. So last week was apparently the time to buy it. Okay, now we know. What I'm going to do tomorrow, first of all, we have target on the weekly. What does that mean, bros? If it's target on the weekly already on... Is it Tuesday now, actually? Yeah, on a Tuesday. That sets up for that trade. Okay? That's one side of it. One side is there, there, there. Now, the other side of it is it will just continue on daily. Where is the daily entry, you might ask? Currently at 102. 101.20. So, right now, we're going to wait for it to come down to 101.20 and see if we can take it up from there. Yeah. Fantastic trading plan, eh? Maybe I should put it into a frame somewhere, right? Maybe I should put it in a frame where nothing went right. What do you say? What do you do? Nothing. That's what you do. There's 2 brushes up there, and I'm gonna put that into Discord, into trades. Yeah. Trading plan went. And then where's that thing? Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it's funny. Trading plan went smooth. That's what it did. All right, cool. Why a big pullback? The reason for that, James, well, that's not a big pullback except we are in a smaller time frame. That's all. So if you go to weekly, it's a normal pullback. It's and also it's, yeah, it's what the normality you want in a trade setup, right? It's the normality you want in a trade setup. So let's take like any market, and I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna find what I want to see, right? Take off that one. I'm just gonna go, I don't know. Somebody say stop. Well, it's so fun with the days of the streams, right? Okay. Is anyone gonna ever say stop? Okay, stop. Okay. Okay. I will go back to there. Okay. When you're buying, you always want to see that happening, right? When you're buying, I don't know what's happening in the future even here. You do that, and then up to there, right? Or we can even do better. We can even do that. Replay from here. And then do that one. Weekly bullish. Great. Right? You buy there. Target there. That is that one. Cool. And then I will go there. Orange. Okay, cool. A bit faster, maybe? Is that 1 hour? Okay, whatever. You know, so that's your guess entry. That's your target. Now you're coming into this one now. You're gonna go into central. Oops. You're gonna go. Come on, mate. You're going up to target there. There we go. Entry. Okay, we're just gonna stop that one there. You know, it's the same thing every week, right? Until, as long as you have a higher high and higher lows, that's your target. You wait for the same thing. There we go. Do you want to buy that? I'm a bit cautious here. But okay, maybe. Maybe we can buy that. Maybe. Okay, we can try, see. So you have 2 weeks with profits, though. We have that profit. Profit, thank you. And we have that profit already. Okay. I'm actually quite nervous. I don't know what's going to happen next. Okay, so we are still in just another entry. We're still just in the kind of the zone here. Does it hit stop loss? Go to stop loss. Go, no, go. Oh, it went up again. Whew. No, no, no. Ah, we died. Okay, so now it makes a lower low. Okay, fair enough. What do we do again? We do the same thing again. We need higher highs and higher lows. We don't have that, so it continues to fall. There we have a higher high again. I'm gonna buy next week again. No, we don't. Okay, still not a bullish trend. This is actually quite fun. I didn't know this was so fun. Okay, we can buy next week so far. Can we buy this? Yeah. Okay, well, we'll buy that. Fair enough. I will buy that. This is pure blindness almost. No clue if this is gonna go great. But this is how you do it. Right? Didn't come down to the buy zone even. Alright, okay. Okay, brothers. You get the feeling? You get the feeling, okay? Yeah. So that's how you continue doing it, right? That's how you continue doing it. Just replay, do it again, replay, do it again, replay, do it again, replay, do it. No, sorry. Do it again, wait for the setup, and in real life it's difficult as to wake up in the morning. Is as difficult as that. It's a very difficult thing to do. We get the feeling. Woo-hoo. So, how is gold doing? Gold has a different feeling, I would say. What feeling does gold have? Somebody bought there last week, and I felt so bad for them. I can't remember who they were right now, but I think they're an A1. But anyways, that's the same thing right now. Cool. Now, what do you do now, bro? What do you do now? Is this support? Or is this the first low? Do you want to see lower low crashing, coming down lower and doing that? I said target 2000. I think that's a pretty good target, people. I think it's a pretty good target. I think gold has hit target. I would even say that even. 2000. Ciao. Now, for those of us gold traders and like, where can we go today then? Okay. I'm going to say one thing to you. That at the beginning of the week means that way. Okay? It can come back up again, for sure. But as long as we are below... Oops. As long as we are below that level there. So as long as this is the situation, then only sells are allowed. If you buy it now, I'm going to be so unhappy with you. And if it just goes higher, then I don't care. So this is the level they're all waiting for to be hit so they can go lower. Specific which price? That price. 1988. And would you guess it is today's sell zone? Isn't that great? Great. So all the gold sellers who's out there, you have two options. You have one, going a lower low, coming back down tomorrow, and then lower. Or up to this level here, at around 1988, and stop us above 1998. That's a 10 ounces up. It's probably 100 pips. But that's kind of how I would trade it. Is gold good for a long? Mr. Seng, I would say not, absolutely not. I would say that gold has done its move. And you are, sorry to say it, you're a bit late to that. That's all. Okay? Okay? All the love in the world. I don't want you to put in yourself into trades you should not be inside in, right? So, JP Morgan says that we might hit 185 on oil if what? Where is news? There it is. If euro bans oil. Do you think euro is going to go down? Do you think euro is going to go up because of that? So let's go through the situation. If euro bans oil, what will happen? Pull gold higher? Question mark. Oil, okay. Lower. Add option. Euro higher. And then it will be dollar lower. That's a fun little quiz. And it's only one correct answer, by the way. So, have jokes on that. Come on, people. Give your opinion out there. I know you are. I know where you are. Is there nobody with a keyboard today? Come on, mates. I can even go through the CRT report while you guys figure out what it is. It's just say one thing. I'm not going to bash you for it. Is euro going to go higher? Is dollar going to go higher? Is euro going to go lower? Well, what's your... Calvin's the only one that has been replying so far. And we have 36 people that is not replying. Come on, mate. You can do it. I know we can do it. So let's see if I can move my face a bit. Again. Oops, that was wrong. There's my face. Move. Okay, so there's a lot of new buyers on euro. Interesting. Interesting. Commercials are going higher on euro. Commercials are going more short on euro. No, dollar, sorry. Still very interesting. Still very interesting. Okay. And then gold COT. More buyers coming in. Okay. Just want to check Australia, Canada, Britain. Australia has more buyers coming in. Canada has more buyers coming in, shorts taking profit. Brits has more shorts. That's why it's been falling lately. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. The other question is, I'm going to end that one. So those who said euro higher is wrong. Those who said gold oil lower is wrong. And those who said gold higher, was it 67% of you guys said correctly. The other thing is, what I wanted to ask now, it was gold position, gold net. Yeah, okay. So what will happen? What will happen to dollar when we have had 2 to 3 rate hikes? That's today's question. Higher, lower, range. Oops, I was wrong. That is going to need to be taken away. Fair enough. I mean, what about the talk of oil being not traded in dollar? That's an interesting thing, Ian. And how I see that is there is still so much transactions in dollar that dollar losing its bid because of oil trades, and they trade now in yen or yuan. I think it was Chinese was doing. It's trading in Indian rupees with Russia. I think it's an interesting discussion, and I think my personal stance is still that there's so much dollar trades, transactions in dollars so far in the business world, in aviation, in industry, in construction, in travel, in fuel for travel, for you know, it's still other countries. It's still very small percentage that I don't think that dollar is affected by it. But if people start in masses to avoid dollar, paying dollar will lose its value more than anything else. Okay? So dollar would fall if that is kind of a thing that would happen. So I think that so far so good. It's still just a scarcity of, you know, somebody doesn't do that anymore. But we don't know how much on the back end that is actually not traded in dollars. That I need to see figures that we're talking massive amounts of money. But right now the financial system is still very much dollar based. That I'm still just putting my deaf ears to it. Mahes says USD lower as goods and energy prices are high. Higher inflation means that purchasing power will drop. That's a good answer. That's a good answer, Mahes. I mean, do you think pound yen has peaked? As the peak doctor, do I think it has peaked? There's no way on this earth able to say that other than no, we haven't. But there is a specific way to measure that peak. One, are we at a target? For monthly, first of all? No, not really. Are we at a target for the week? Yes. Are we at a target for the day? Way past it. Okay, that's one side of it. The other side of it, have we matched up with a psychological level so extreme that we should stop here? Not really. Still in between something. The other thing is, have we made a technical lower low? No, we haven't. We have come back to support. And can this now, probably what your question would be next, it would be, is this the bottom? Is this the peak? Are we going to have a bigger pullback before we can buy it again? Now, that's, my friend, is an interesting discussion. Okay. So that's that. So no, GeorgeFX, I don't think that this is the peak. I can be wrong. Would you sell it? The poll is I will actually take the screenshot of this poll, and we'll come back to it in a couple of months, actually. Okay. So that is general, so we can remember it to be. It is, oops. There we go. Okay. That didn't work apparently. It is that. There we go. Okay. Poll. And then we need to do what is the future rate hikes of dollar. And cool. Results. Answer, I guess. Answer will be made in a few months. Probably by June. Cool. End poll. For me, it's not the peak and also not the time to short. Haha, just doing nothing. Not enough evidence. Calvin is a spot on there. CAD, says Falco. Can we call CAD? CAD which one? CAD yen? CAD index? USD CAD? Which CAD? Feel like rate hikes are a buy your rumor. Sell the news. So one big spike after 50 basis points in the dollar ranges after the hikes actually pass. A news just released. Okay. I am interested, but clearly not that interested. Oh, there's my math meeting today. Ooh, nice. I like that. I like to move it. I like to move it. But there's no news now, no. There's building permits in 9 minutes. But yeah. IMF. What did IMF say? We're looking, make it look. There it is. Is that today? Ooh, nice. It was 8th of April. Juicy. I love it. Ah, it's juicy. Come on, mate. Go on, mate. Do it. And I need to find the downloaded thing. That's the 19th of April, 9 AM press briefing about it. The report and live stream will be able on this page. So where is it then? It hasn't been done yet. Okay, fair enough then. So it's coming. Oh, EAT. Okay, I thought IMF was in Europe or something. Anyways, okay, we'll just look at it then when it comes out. Other than that, I don't see other news. I don't know what news you're talking about, bro. But yeah. So the question is, how is the market going to react to that the cycle that we have priced in so far isn't going to be like it has been before, has been priced in already? That is a dollar bearish move. Who did what? Poppy, welcome to the team. Welcome to the team. Boom. Happy to have you there. Happy to have you there, bro. Happy to have you. Right now we have priced in 91% chance of 50 basis points in May, which is in 2 weeks or something like that. And by the end of this year, we have priced in, I can't even do the guessing even. So 25 to 250. Does anyone know? 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 9 rate hikes by the end of the year. Am I wrong about this? Holy guacamole. Wow. Really? 225 divided by 25. 10. Is that really true? Wow. That's what the market's priced in now. So the more market is pricing in a higher interest rate, the more chances they are to be disappointed. And if we now start seeing inflation peaking, not that we are seeing any evidence of that, but if inflation is peaking in America, we are also going to see a change in that. But what was the inflation last time in America? Let's see, trading economics, there we are. And we go to USA. Yeah, that doesn't load at all. Okay. Then we go to let's see for this month. Apply, filter, clear, America, interest rate, inflation, economic activity, all those other things. Apply filters, and that should come out. Hasn't come out yet. Oh, next month. I thought this did month. Yeah. So inflation is at 8.5, core is 6.5. It's a bit less than consensus at 6.6, but no, inflation is 0.1 more than expected. It's still very, very, very high. What I read in my groups, in my things, is that we're still going to go higher on the inflation. But I've also seen that the stock market, so the housing market in America is maybe peaking a bit, meaning that we are able to seeing some cooling down, and that might send the dollar down a bit. That's all. Okay. Good on that. We are all good on that situation. Cool. Continuation. Somebody asked for Aussie yen. Okay. So what do you want me to do, bro? What do you want me to do? Who asked for Aussie yen? Let's do that. Who asked for it? It was Mr. Looks like a guy. I think it is. Aussie yen? Tell me. What do you see? What do you want to see? Your general direction, and do you have any trades on? Those are the questions I want you guys to answer before you... Well, that is how it will help me a bit more. What is your general direction on the pair you want me to cover? Do you have any trades on? So that we can, go through it on a more easier level, right? So we can all see it's bullish. We can all see it has reached the target for the week pretty good. Jason, if I remember you, do I remember any Jason? I wish YouTube. Hope you're listening. Can we make a thing so when you click on a user, I can just see that all the streams, all the comments they made on stream, like on Twitch, so I can go back and see what Jason actually have said. But yes, I do remember you, Jason. I might have Alzheimer's sometimes, but yeah. Ryder Neo just went into the salad as well. Says gold. $111. Sorry. I need to... Sorry. 2 seconds, people. Sorry. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Of course, just as the music died. Sorry. Where were we? Eh? Aussie yen is still bullish, looking for retracement. Calvin says don't sell. Calvin, maybe I should put you in an expertise group. I love your comments. Thank you, bro. That's lovely. Where's my face? There's my face. Something like that. Come on. There we are. Ish. Oh yeah. Took a buy on Pound New Zealand and daily M2 waiting for more upside. Shuran. So Aussie yen is currently a bit too high for me. I would love it to come, I don't know, maybe down to this support or that support. So I'm just waiting for that one to happen more than anything else. Okay, cool. Pound New Zealand? Come on, mate. US housing starts is actual 0.3. Previous was 0. Oh, wow. Woo. Damn. That's a drop and a half. Wow. Look at that. Housing starts is down. Housing starts month-over-month March. Actual 0.3. Previous was 6.5%. Maybe I don't have the correct filter on today, apparently. Maybe this one is better. Now we can see more. Yeah, previous one was 6.5. Now it's 0.3. Previous building permits was negative 1.6. Now it's 0.4. Wow. Whee. Building permits 1.8 million. Consensus was 1.25, and so it's a bit more building permits, but housing starts. That means that people who is starting to build new houses were constructed. Wow. Okay, that's a drop and a half. Oh yeah. Oh no, Jason. Okay, now I remember you. I remember you. Jason, you never contacted me, bro. I'm disappointed forever. I will be hurt forever. I will be like, and I told you. I said on stream. I can go back and find it if you want to. I remember saying that you should probably get out and not lose the last $2,000. And instead of going from just take the forward 12, build with 12, whatever 2 is left, sorry, out of it, and you went with it, and you lost and hit 14,000. Was that necessary? Was that necessary, Jason? Really? Poopy. Puppy says that his demo account is doing better than his real account. Yeah, that's because of emotions more than anything else. Bro, Jason, I can't do anything to you, can I? Sometimes I want to shake you guys a bit more. Why are you guys buying Pound New Zealand? What's this about, people? Okay, maybe. Daily M2, you are somehow in profit. Yeah, it's a range. Congratulations. More than anything else. Would you sell CAD? Yeah, Pound CAD. No, I wouldn't. It's a range, bro. It's a range. So you can sell in this area. We're not there yet. We met a low though. That's everything. But that's what I see. So that means no trade. Good morning, sir, says Chris. Guess that. Yeah. Hi, Chris. I remember you. Sorry. What does oil look like? I think oil looks nice. I'm waiting for oil to go higher, but let's see. It hasn't opened up yet. So what's wrong with this oil thing? US oil. FXCM. Now that's a move. Thank you. This one's not moving at all. So now I should take that away then. Okay. Exit. Delete. How do you delete this thing? Delete. Okay. Delete. Nope, didn't work. Delete. Thank you. US oil. FXCM then. I think it's just wrong. UKL, USL, some. I want this to go higher, bro. And we are kind of high. So I would like it to come down to like 101 and then going higher. But it could also just be the bottom right now, but I don't care. Does anyone hear the music in the background, or is it just me being party count? I wouldn't sell it, Mr. Pooh, more than anything else. But that's me. How do you know if market's active? In terms of open or behaving nicely? Those are probably two different factors. Who asked that? Falco. Behaving nicely. Oh, and how do you know? Okay. I'm going to go through that answer quite extensively. Joking. Okay. So, is this a market you like to trade? Let's do that one instead. Is this a market you like to trade? Does this market do higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows and higher highs? Yes or no? That's how I would say yes or no. So in this case, it makes a double bottom, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That's great. This market is great until this make that low there. Is there a party in my house? I don't know where this dance music came from. But yeah. Ronnie says he's new here. Very much welcome, Ronnie. Good day. Been following but never chat. How's everyone? We are family. We are good. I think family is good today. I'm just looking for... Yeah, so that's the market that I want to trade. When it comes into that market, I don't want to trade it anymore. And if you want to sell it, kind of a thing, that's not a market you want to trade. So it all depends. So the question, how do you identify it? Does the market do that? You don't like that. Nobody likes that. Does the market do that? Everyone likes that. Does the market do that? That's not a normal market you want to be trading in. Pound dollar is probably a market that you don't want to be inside right now. Why? Because it turned around nicely. Bye. Okay, cool. Now it's been a range for some time. Oops, daisy. That's a range for some time. That's not a thing that I want to trade. Then we go a bit lower. Not what I want to see either. We made a high. Again, that's a down, up, and then down again. I don't like that either. So how do you identify that before it happens? You don't. You can't. But you can decide not to add trades here once you are a buyer. Because you said that you make a rule for yourself, you have a higher high. You don't have a higher high yet, so it doesn't work out yet. And even if you are like a seller or something, you still need some kind of resistance, right? And you don't have resistance at the moment. Process hasn't gone up to resistance. This can be a resistance, but I don't like that resistance because it's not strong enough. Why is it not strong enough? Because it's been broken before, held one time only. So I would... This is a party house or something today? Wow. Party music apparently. That's hard on a Tuesday morning. But you rather want to be in that level, right? The more times a level is broken, the other thing is here, for example. You know, that is what? That's nothing. So we have to take it either down there. Let's say that's a level you want to have as support and resistance. If you say this is support and resistance, why is it so much up and down here? And as well, here it didn't even stop there, right? It stopped here instead. So I would then say that that is a support and resistance I want to use. Here and here. Nothing else is just whatever. Here so far, use as support. But yeah, so also, as you can see, this might even be a range. So you might have that as resistance. Is where you're going to see, is it going to go lower? Is it going to go lower? This is like a local resistance, and it's not that strong. More than anything else. Someone sending a message? No, it's just... I don't know about you, but Airtel and Safaricom in Kenya is some of the most spammy mobile phone providers in this entire world. There's a million messages every single day about offers. Is there any way to cancel it? Is there anyone who knows anything about how to cancel that? That would be great. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sad, my money is gone. I wrong trade. I'm back to dollar. No, gold. Jason, I would go through your strategy if you just made an appointment with me on Zoom, and we can talk and we can do much better than going on gold. Gold is just, you know, another way to lose money. That's what it's made for, more than anything else. It's a good trade. I've nearly hit my target. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna blame you on that. Fair enough. Small trade then, I guess. Okay, cool. Not gonna take that away from me. Well, how do I teach you, bro, Jason? It's very simple. Okay? It's very simple. If you were with me, if you listened to me, and if you were in my group, if you told me, I would never allowed that you lost your 14,000 bips when you used TM. It wouldn't have been, if you take whatever I say as rule, and as a dictator as I am, if you take whatever I said was a rule, you would never have lost it. Well, if you disobey and don't listen to what I say, yes, you will probably still have lost it. But if you told me before you took that trade, and if you had a stop loss, if you had a risk management, then it wouldn't be that way. Now, that's easy for me to say now, right? It's easy for me to say there, well, but still, it just wouldn't. Oh, I can control my my Spotify on my phone. Ooh. Okay. Here we are skipping songs even. Where's the thing? Okay. Cool. I didn't know that. Yeah. Okay. So that's what you would learn from me. That you probably would never have that loss. Especially not at that magnitude. That's all. Poppy says there's always a lesson to learn with every bad trade. The question is, Poppy, is do you have so many bad trades it will kill your career? Poppy, you learned last month never trade in bed, but I thought in bed that's when all the action happened. I thought it was the place to be, Poppy. Be like a turtle or a rabbit. Yeah, probably is a better thing more than anything else. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Oh, yeah. You live and you learn, bro. You live and you learn. Can you sell pound dollar now, chat? Can we sell it now? Yeah. I have a joke for tonight's Zoom meeting for everyone. So if you're fragile, don't come. But it's gonna be a strong joke tonight. Oh, it's gonna be epic tonight. I have one joke tonight. That's all. Max Peck says gold is melting 100 pips like water. Yes, mate. It's what we have expecting all day. Poppy, if you come tonight, it's gonna be a Zoom meeting and nobody's gonna record it anyways. And I didn't make it. All right, I'm gonna find it, and I didn't make it. So you can't take me on it. I am innocent until proven guilty. So I'm just gonna update you on it, Max. And earlier today, I said in this stream, as long as it's below 1988, it's still bearish. And the profit target for buyers was here, 2,000 give or take, and hit it early. Therefore, we're expecting it to go lower. Boom. Aye. Oh, it's funny. Oh, sometimes people, it's just funny to be alive, eh? Funny to be alive. Oops, something happened. No. No. That was what the Paul was supposed to do. What happened? Yeah. Ivan, do you know the difference between... I'm actually gonna Google what that is, actually. It's a porcupine-ish type of animal. Give and take. So this is what I got. I don't know if this is the correct one, though. What's the difference? What was it? Ivan, do you know the difference between that thing and the Mercedes-Benz? No, I don't. Please tell me. We're all waiting for the answer, Ian. And it kind of has the pricks on the outside. Oh yeah, that's actually such a good joke. It's actually such a good, yeah, you know. Okay, yeah. What is the similarity between Audi and Mercedes? As somebody said, Mercedes. What's the difference? What's the similarity between Audi and Mercedes? Or I would maybe even say, what's the similarity between Audi and Mercedes drivers? Probably. That's better. Better one. Probably. One is an animal, the other one is a car? No, not really. Not really, Eddie. No, not really. Well, I don't know if it's funny though, but the similarity between Audi and Mercedes drivers is that they both end up with a ticket in the end. They are the most reckless drivers on the planet, and they're the ones. I'm not going to say they're the ones ending up in a car accident per se, but or the similarity is that both of them will overtake you in a what do you call it, an unclear bend. One thing else. Nobody's laughing? Jesus. Okay. Fair enough. So most of you guys... Oh, Volvo drivers are only about security. Safety. That's what they are. That they only do safety. They only drive safely. They are the world's best drivers. That's what they are. Okay, so since everyone is bearish on S&P, since everyone is like bearish here, did you sell it here? I don't know if you did it though. Selling it there and selling it there. Congrats, bros. Did you sell it there? That's the daily sell, I guess. Nothing else? Yeah, daily sell is there. 44.10, you're in profit. 44.24, not yet. 44.49, 50 level. Okay, good luck on that. Hi, Plata, how are ya? Ian Button. Volvo drivers mean. Okay. What's the thing is about Volvo drivers? Volvo drivers stick together. Also, Volvo drivers, they are the one that can take the car anywhere. You know, Volvo 240 can do anything. I'm just telling you. Yeah, that's the thing, bro. That's the thing. You drive a Volvo? Oh, no. She should put it back up again. Okay, whatever. Volvo drivers are sophisticated. They are classy. They are fantastic. They're good looking. They are schmack on. They are gorgeous. That's what they are. Yeah, and wear hats while driving. Apparently. Nah. Volvo drivers? Typical Volvo drivers. Male over 55 drivers are similar to those in Jaguars. Really? They believe exercise is important. They enjoy gardening and DIY, fair enough, and usually involved in a more hands-on career like construction or consulting. Consulting? They take interest in the news and enjoy golf too, but they also like motorsports and cricket. They tend to enjoy music from decades ago in which they were younger. Okay, fair enough. Kia female group. Where's like the typical grandma car? Typical grandma car is it Toyota Yaris? As far as I remember. Typical grandma car, that's America. I'm just gonna find it. This is a small one. That's America. Come on, people. Come on. Norway. Like, what does grandma drive in Norway? My grandma drives Getz. That's what it is. It's Hyundai Getz. That's a typical grandma car. That's grandma. That's the grandma car out there, people. If you disagree with me, this one is the one going in 50 in an 80 zone. But yes, I am. Yeah. We're far off Forex though, by the way, people. But what's the market doing at the moment? What Volvo do I drive? I drive the best Volvo in the world. That's what I drive. The best Volvo in the world. Good. Someone's, well, I don't know. I'm not gonna, well, someone's not in my stream. Someone is not in my server. And it's like, hello. I say hello back. How can I help you? Good day. And how are you doing? Oh, you live in Ålesund, puppy? Ah, okay. I don't know if you are from Ålesund though, but Ålesund, they have a bit of a different dialect, a bit up there. So when you hear someone from Ålesund, you can just hear it in their dialect. But yeah, what's wrong with this music thing? Dude. Oh, Pikachu says I look like a demo trader? Wow. Wow. You know what? You are so cool. You're so cool, mate. Aww. Aww. You're so cool. Fantastic. Hey? Aww. You're so cool. I don't know. How many times do I need to show my live accounts? Let's see. If I don't show everything that I do, that's probably okay. And I'm probably going to show you. I don't know. Let's see. Can I show you? I can't show. No, yeah, okay. Yeah, actually, I can. Actually, can. Okay, cool. So, for everyone, I'm just going to show my screen first there. Good. Then I'm going to find my demo account. Let's see. Where's my demo account? Where's my demo account? There's my demo account. Oh! Whoopsie daisy. It's a real account. How is that possible? Aw. You're so cute. Pikachu. Eh? You're so cute. No, he's cute. He was put in timeout. He was cute. He was being cute. Okay. If I'm a demo trader, why don't I have like why don't I show like have millions in demo account then? Stupid. You don't. Well, if I was a demo trader, why don't I have full trades on everywhere and I just do whatever I want? Eh? Aye. It's almost, I don't know what to do with you, Pikachu. That's all. But yeah, welcome to the clan. Maybe you would maybe you would say hi next time instead of just being so blunt. But yeah, is there anything we can do that? Okay, so put user in timeout, hide user from channel, remove. I don't know, maybe something like that. Hello, Hope you're having a good day. You know what? The more, according to what is it called, Gary V, the more hate you get, the more popular you are. So thank you for enjoying my ego. We have two good things today. First of all, Poppy, become a member. Thank you very much, Poppy. Thank you for being a member today. And we have a hater in today, so I'm famous and popular. Fine, bro. Yeah. So if I'm a demo trader, how do you explain that I bought S&P 500? Like, I don't know, here? I can show you my losses if you want to. Is that cool? I didn't buy there per se, but I have an order up here, probably there. Is that cool for you? Is that good enough for you? Yeah. That makes me laugh sometimes, by the way. And if there's one thing I don't have is well, I do have demo clients actually. What do you use demo? Well, let's turn this positive then. If you tell me I'm a demo trader, that means in my world that I'm doing something great because I test strategies on demo before I do them with real money. So I am clever. Do you know what? It's clever to be a demo trader. Do you know why it's clever to be a demo trader? Because you don't lose your hard-earned money on something stupid. That's what you do. That's everything you do. That's all. So I think Pikachu needs like a race or something because he is pretty clever. He said I'm a good trader. He is a demo trader. I love that. I love that label. We can do that every day, bro. Yeah. Poppy says that his demo kind of gives you false confidence. Yeah, it probably does actually. Sorry about that, bro. Sorry about that. So if you go to IMF today, and I wanted to see their thing, not their... I want to see their report. Where's the report? Download full report. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. World Economic Outlook. This is what you guys do. This is content. Probably boring content, but this is content that you are supposed to read. Not my content, but that's the thing. Executive summary. What does it mean? Where is it? Assumptions and concerns and whatever. Where is the goodies? Forward. Nope. Not today. Executive summary. Let's go through it, everyone. And I'm going to hide my demo phase. Apparently, I am a demo trader. Cool. The war in Ukraine triggered a costly humanitarian crisis that demands peaceful resolution. So, they start off with Ukraine crisis. Economic damage from the conflict will contribute to a significant slowdown in global growth in 2022. Stagflation. Here we come. A severe double-digit drop in GDP for Ukraine and large contraction in Russia are more than likely, along with worldwide spillover through commodity markets, trade, financial channels. Cool. Even as the war reduces growth, it will add inflation, stagflation. Fuel and food prices increase rapidly with vulnerable populations. Okay? So, this is what you need to read as a serious trader. Even demo or not demo trader. Fuel prices have increased rapidly. We can... Elevated inflation will complicate the trade-off central banks face between containing price pressure and safeguarding growth. So they're in a deadly catch. Interest rates are expected to rise. This will put pressure on emerging markets and developing economies. Moreover, so when dollar increases interest rates, it puts pressure on developing countries. I didn't tell you. The report told you. So, if you're thinking you should short South African rand, there you go. Have jokes on that. Jokes on you. Why gold is mad right now? Because gold is mad, I think. I think gold is mad. Somebody said gold. I will do gold for 2 seconds. Oh, look at that. Daily profit. Boom. Why is gold bearish today? I will tell you in a split second, okay? Let's go through this world economic thing. Because we are learning every single day. That's what we are. That's what we are here for. And moreover, many countries have limited physical policy space to cushion impact of the war on their economies. That's a risk. The invasion has contributed to economic fragmentation and significant number of countries severe commercial ties with Russia and risk of the reeling post-pandemic recovery also threatens the rule-based framework that have facilitated greater economic growth. And then COVID is not really acute anymore. And still deaths remains high, especially among unvaccinated. Moreover, recent lockdowns is key manufacturing, and trade hubs in China are likely to compound supply disruptions elsewhere. Fair enough. Growth is estimated to be 6.1, 3.6 in 2022, and 2023. This is 0.8 and 0.2 lower than previous economic outlooks. Okay, cool. Inflation and all those things. So, I'm not going to bore you anymore. I feel like it. But this is how you learn about markets. How does things work? How does things not work? What is tied together? What is not tied together? So I'm going to give it to you for fair. That's me. copy a link address maybe to you guys? Maybe I think that's better. Okay. Pikachu is a good one today. Okay, he has been given a timeout. That was a warning. I love that. I love timeouts. Okay, people, it's up to you. Are we banning Pikachu, or are we letting him be are we just ignoring him? You choose. So for gold this week, we hit target early, and it fell down. So fair enough. Now, when you hit target early, you should know very well that should come down to central. So when it goes up there, you then either you stop buying and you wait for a better setup, or if you're a seller, that is where you look to sell. And you look to sell. And there's your target. That's that. So, why is gold bearish? Why is gold mad? Well, from my point of view, it's just a trade plans going through. Mirror. Welcome back. Hope you're having a good Easter. How's your trading going? No. Not in particularly, no. Not in particularly, no. Miro, he's already called me like look like a demo trader or something like that. So he already has already has been given a timeout. Okay. Yeah, but I'd love to see your progress, bro. I love to see your progress, and I know that you have pretty solid foundation in your strategy. You just need to put it out there and make it happen in the real life. But yeah, that's that. You're late. I'm sorry, bro. My funded is down 4% and demo is up solid. Yeah, Max. Yes, that's the story. That is the story of many people's lives, by the way. But I can't say that my demo account, which I apparently I don't have. Well, they get closed out so quickly that I can't even revive them anymore. But I always have losses on my demo because I try strategy on them. That's all. Okay. All right, bro. Good night. Good night. Good night. Yeah, okay. Now that's the first one. I love that one. That's a good one. That's a good one, Pikachu. That's a good one. Do you have any buys on S&P? SXY. What is XXY? Is that Swiss franc. Not really, bro. In particularly because I don't understand it that much, and as a scammer, I don't understand what Swiss do. Mostly because it's a more tug war between big money and the central bank in Switzerland. So I don't want to be collateral damage. Collateral. I don't want to be the collateral in between. That's all. It is harder to that's my personal opinion, and somebody might do very well on a Swissy. I'm not going to say that it's not possible. I'm just saying my brain doesn't make it work. So I've tried, and I'm not going to spend my hard-earned money on something I don't understand. One thing else. Yeah. What is my thoughts on NAS 100? I want this to go higher. Okay? I want this to go higher. So I'm just waiting for it. And it's a hard life to wait for something to go higher when it doesn't go higher. And most of the guys in this group was bearish on S&P. So, also for all that matters, that seems to be the plan today. But it's very near support. So I would love it to go a bit higher if you're going to sell it, but I don't. I want this to breach. I'm a rule-based trader, so if I don't get what I want, it's probably pretty boring in these streams, but I don't get what I want. And we just sit there and wait for setups. But yeah, that's what I need. I need to break 14,300. Gold is near support. Just wait for it, said Calvin. Okay. USD 30. Yeah, it's the same situation. It's yet another one that at some point it's going to be bullish. Pray to the Forex gods. And hasn't happened yet. So it's a choice that I made. It's not really technically. And it's arranged, by the way. So I'm just waiting for it. Yes, US 500 is making my streams because I'm so wrong that he's just laughing every time. Ivan is still bullish on that thing. And it's still losing money. And it's so funny to see that Ivan is losing money every single day. Alright? Solai says he went long pound dollar and it's getting crushed. Yes. That's what happens when you do buy in a bearish market. Sorry, bro. That's what happens when you buy a bearish market. Nobody told you to buy it. I definitely didn't. But yeah, good jokes. Good jokes. Good jokes. All right. So since I'm a scammer, I think I will just end the stream today. I think I've said what I wanted. There is daily setups tonight. We're gonna go through trades tomorrow. I am probably more than anything else that I am going to spend the time today. I think I should have probably made a stream with the members, but I don't think I have time to do it. But I'm going to go through and look at what I do in the streams, and I will do better. And then maybe do less, maybe have longer streams. Maybe I will start streaming in the morning, and then by the time of it, it's going to be great. By the New York comes up, maybe, who knows? We shall see. It all depends if I don't have other duties to do. Okay? Have a good one. Boom. See you soon. I love your family. I love you very much. Do you plan to make another one of those streams where you're going through some trades? Miro, yes. That is definitely something we should go through. I would definitely do that. Okay? Have a good day.